Hi, teacher.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning. Good morning, Miss.
How are you all doing?
Good.
So tell me, how was your break? What did you do this week?
Miss Patton. Good.
Hi.
Hi.
Did you enjoy the break? Was it good?
Yes. 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 Another break. Yes. Yes. Good morning.
Okay.
Morning.
And were you waking up early, even in your break?
Yes. I woke up 7.
Great. Okay, today we will revise together the lesson parts of a plant, and you will help me doing this. Okay?
Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Did we have to use the book? Use the book?
You can use your book. The lessons are in the book on page 6.
Okay. I say we have to write on the book?
No need.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so before you unmute yourself, you mute yourselves, let's give some examples of plants. So in today's lesson, we're talking about parts of a plant. What are examples of plants that you know? Give me examples of plants. I'm talking with all of you. You can unmute yourself and answer me. What are some examples of plants?
Root, stem,
Names
root,
of plants. No,
leaves.
listen to me. Listen to me. We're not talking about the parts of the plant. Give me names of plants. Names of plants.
Sunflower. Tree. Sunflower.
The sunflower. Great. The sunflower plant.
Teacher.
Yes.
When the next when you have a spice next week, we have of a plant.
Yes. It's next week. We'll solve our worksheet about plants. What are other examples?
But
Yalla, give me names of plants, dears.
apple
The apple tree. Bravo.
and
The apple tree.
ammonia.
The pine
Thorn
tree.
tree. A thorn tree.
The rose plant.
The aloe vera plant.
That's right. Aloe veras.
Banana tree.
The banana tree.
Teacher.
The orange tree.
The thorn plant. Tree.
Fern plants. Bravo. Fern plants. And there are too many more. There are lots of examples of plants. Yalla, at 5, please mute yourself. At 5, mute yourself. And when I call your name, you can give me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're talking about parts of a plant, and plants are living things. This means that they need water, they need food, they grow, they need sunlight. At the end of their lives, they die. And there are too many examples of plants. Plants are made of parts. Yalla ya Yusuf. What do we call the part of the plant hidden in the soil?
Roots.
The roots of a plant.
Roots.
Excellent, ya Yusuf. Bravo. The roots of a plant are usually hidden in the soil, and they help the plant to take water and minerals from the soil. يلا علي كرعوني. What do we call the line, the body of the plant, the line that supports the plant and holds the flowers, the leaves? What do we call the line? This one, this line, what is it called? علي كرعوني. What is this called? This line? Do you want me to give you choices? Flowers, fruits, leaves, stem, or roots? What do we call this line? Stem. Excellent, ya Ali. So this is the stem of the plant. It holds and supports the plant. It keeps the plant in the soil and holds the leaves and the fruits and flowers. يلا يا أسيل. Asil, what about these green parts of the plant?
Leaves.
These are the leaves. Excellent. And the leaves help the plant to cook and to make the food. Okay, listen to me carefully.
Yeah.
Leaves catch sunlight. They take sunlight and they help plants to make food. The stem supports the plant and holds the leaves and the flowers. The roots helps the plant to absorb and take water and minerals from the soil. Okay, here are other examples of plants. يلا حسن بارود. Hassan, what is this? What is this part?
What?
What is this one?
Root.
These are the roots. Thank you.
Root.
Bitar. Excellent, ya Hassan. These are the roots of this tree. Yalla ya Fatima.
Yeah.
What is this?
Which?
This one. This line.
A stem.
This is the stem. Excellent, ya Fatima. This is the stem of the tree. Thank you. Hadi. And these. What do we call these, ya Hadi?
Yes. And these are the leaves.
These are the leaves of the tree. Thank you so much. Yes? Yes, Hassan.
Do you know what the real name? The real name, yes, of the white bear.
What is it?
Here,
What is it?
here. Instead the tree.
Ah, really? Great. I didn't hear you very well, but maybe at the end you can talk to me about this in detail. So the tree shows roots, stem and leaves. يلا يا كريم.
Yes.
Okay. What do we call these يا كريم? Roots. Thank you. آية صبرا. يلا آية صبرا. What are these يا آية?
Yes. Leaves.
These are the leaves. Thank you. Good job. Tala. Tala, what are these?
Yes. Stem.
These are the stems. Thank you. Bravo يا Tala. Elsa.
Yes.
This يا Elsa. This white part of the plant. What
Flower.
is it called? This is the flower. Thank you. يلا. Wissam.
Yes.
Okay, Wissam, we have a strawberry plant. The strawberry plant has flowers, right?
Yes.
What will these flowers turn into? The flowers of a strawberry plant will become what?
They will be fruits.
They will become fruits.
Will be strawberries.
They will become strawberries. The flowers of a plant help it make seeds and they turn into fruit. Okay? The flowers of a plant has a job, which is to make seeds. The flowers make seeds and they become fruits sometimes.
And they become strawberries. It turns to a big tree of strawberries.
That's right. The seeds will turn into new plants. So we saw that the strawberry plant makes flowers. Here we have 4 types of plants. We have the broom plant, the dot plant, the sunflower plant, and the fern plant. The dot plant and the fern plant are examples of plants that do not make flowers at all. Do you know a third type of plants that do not make flowers? I'll give you 2 bonus points for this. What is a third example of plants without flowers? I will count.
Teacher, I know. Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay, so if you know, say it.
Yes, I know. Soy. Soy.
The sunflower makes flower. Yes, Kamal. Okay, I will count till 5. At 5, if no one said it, What?
What's the plant? And carnation. Teacher, the blue plant. See what I will do. Teacher, the carnation.
Carnation?
Onion plant.
No.
Teacher, the tree. Look why, what? Onion plant.
No.
Miss.
Yeah.
Teacher, the tree.
2. Which type of tree? 3.
The plant.
What are you talking about?
What is a third example of plants that doesn't make flowers at all? Great يا كريم. برافو يا كريم.
The first plant.
Okay, so
Onion plant.
no,
What's a plant?
we said dot plants, we said fern plants. I still need another example.
Aloe vera.
What plant?
The aloe vera don't make flowers.
Aloe veras, yes, they make flowers, dear.
Choose the tree.
Which kind of trees? 1,
Orange. I have one in
3,
my house. It don't make flowers.
The almond tree.
4, and 5. The moss plant. I told you this last time. It's called moss plant. Mosses do not make flowers at all. So now you have 3 examples of non-flowering plants. The dot plant,
The cypress tree doesn't make flowers.
the moss plant, and the fern plant. Who said cypress tree?
Me.
Who are you, Wissam? Excellent, ya Wissam. Bravo. Bravo, ya Wissam. 2 points. The cypress tree is
Miss,
also
I have one in my house. I have an aloe vera in my house. It don't make flowers.
Me too. I have 2 of
Can
them.
I see you at?
Yes, I don't have any plants.
Okay. So the broom plant, all of these plants, yalla fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me see. But aloe veras need flowers, dear. They do make flowers. Maybe yours is still young, but they make flowers. Yes, I saw it, Hassan. Thank you. So look, all of the plants shown in these pictures, يعني the broom plant, the sunflower plant, the dot plant, the moss plant, the fern plant, they all have roots, stem, and leaves. But the dot plant, the moss plant, and the fern plant do not have flowers at all. They don't make flowers at all. Okay? يلا علي عاصم. What do we call this part?
Yes.
What is this?
Roots.
These are the roots. Thank you.
This is the roots.
These are the roots. They are hidden in the soil. يلا محمد. محمد شعلان.
Yes.
What do we call the line that supports the plant? That supports the tomato plant. What is it called?
The stem.
Excellent. Bravo ya Muhammad. This is the stem. Zainab. What do we call these green parts of the plant?
Leaves.
These are the leaves. Thank you, ya Zainab.
Leaves.
Bravo. Kamal. What do we call these yellow parts?
Flower.
These are the flowers. Thank you. And now this question is for all of you. The flowers in this plant will turn into what?
And
Fruit.
They will turn into
a fruit.
tomatoes.
A fruit.
They will be tomatoes.
Tomato.
Okay? Flowers make seeds.
Fruit. Became to a big fruit.
They will turn into tomatoes. Thank you. Flowers make
Teacher?
seeds and they turn into fruits. in the plants that make fruits. The tomato plant is a flowering plant. Yalla, listen to me. Halla, I'm talking with all of you. You need to answer by flowering or non-flowering. That's what you have to say. Flowering or non-flowering. Okay?
Flowering.
The lemon tree.
Flowering. Flowering or non-flowering?
The lemon tree.
Non-flower.
The lemon tree.
Non-flower.
Non-flowering. Non-flowering.
Non-flower. كيف non-flowering?
Flowering. Flowering. It's flowering.
Okay, listen to me. The lemon trees grow lemons. And before they become
Flowering.
the flowers become lemons. Flowering, أكيد. The lemon trees grow lemons. And so flowers, lemon trees need to grow flowers. Flowers become lemons. Yes. The gardenia plant. Gardenia plant.
Flowering.
Flowering tree. Bravo.
Flowering tree.
Flowering tree. Bravo. Yes.
Teacher. Every kinds of trees is flowering.
Not all of them. Most of them.
The ones that have
Vegetables and fruits.
Okay. The pumpkin plant. The pumpkin plant.
flowering. Flowering.
Flowering.
أكيد flowering.
Not
No,
flowering.
it grows pumpkins. And pumpkins wear flowers. لأنه the flowers هن يلي they will be fruits. إذا I have a plant that grows fruits يعني أكيد it makes flowers. And the flowers will be fruits. The dot plant. The dot plant.
Non-flowering.
Non-flowering. Bravo. Non-flowering.
Flowering.
Thank you. I'll count till 5. Mute yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 يا حسن. And 5. The dot plant, the fern plant, the moss plant. I will write it one more time so you won't forget it. The moss plant. These 3 are 3 examples of non-flowering plants. They do not make flowers at all. So they have roots, they have stems, they have leaves, but they do not have flowers. And I'm talking about these plants on this side. Okay? The orange tree, the apple tree, the cacti like aloe veras,
Teacher.
the tomato plant, the cucumber plant, the gardenia plant are all flowering plants. When listen to me, Yusuf. When I give you an example of plants that make fruits, مثل الابل tree, مثل الكيوكمبر plant, مثل الووترميلون plant, أكيد هيدول هن flowering plants. Why? Because they grow fruits والفruits كانوا flowers. It's the flower that turns into a fruit. It's the flower that turns into a vegetable. So to make fruits or vegetables, plants need to grow flowers. Yes, ya Yusuf.
The pine tree is non-flowering.
Bravo. The pine tree is a non-flowering plant. صح يا يوسف. Excellent. 2 bonus points.
The coconut
Mr.
tree not
Bamboo is
flowery.
A flowery
Yeah.
plant.
The coconut
So
tree
now
is not
you know.
flowery.
Mr. Bamboo tree.
No, bamboos make flowers.
A bamboo is not flowery.
Okay, for the coconut trees, they make flowers. Bala. They are flowering plants. Anyway, let's continue. So you know now that flowering plants show 4 basic parts: the flower, the stem, the leaves, and the roots. The flowers make seeds and turn into fruits. The stem supports the plant and holds the leaves and the flowers. The leaves catch sunlight and they help the plant to make food. The roots take water and minerals from the soil. The rose plant, the apple tree are flowering plants. The moss plant, the moss plant, mosses are shown in the first picture. Mosses and ferns are non-flowering plants, so they don't make flowers at all. In this slide, we're talking about types of leaves. Okay? Types of leaves. How many
Miss,
types of
the
leaves?
letter word or something like that is not flowery.
What?
The liver words or something like that is not flowery.
Redwood trees. The redwood trees. صح. Okay. Oak trees, orange trees, and apple trees, they have broad leaves. Broad leaves are flat, they are wide, they are big, they help the plant catch sunlight and make food. Cedar trees, pine trees, and cacti have needle leaves because their leaves look like needles and they help the plant to not lose water. Needle leaves are important for these kinds of plants because this way these plants won't lose too much water. So for the leaves, plants have our broad leaves, our needle leaves. Again, plants show 2 types of leaves. Our broad leaves, our needle leaves. Yes, Yusuf.
The cactus tree is they have in it like juice. Is it
They
right?
have water inside. Yes, they store water inside because they usually live in
Yes.
hot places. So they need to keep the water inside it since there is no enough water for them. These are the leaves of
Yes.
the cacti. These spiky things, these spines, are the needle leaves of the cactus plant. Okay, that's it. Let me share this with you. Yeah, let's do this. And I'm talking with all of you. You can unmute yourselves. But listen to me carefully. You
Yes.
need just to give the answer.
Yes,
What? Solve this part. And what's the job of the root? What's the job of the root?
Roots.
To keep the plant live. water and
Teacher, soil. From soil.
Okay, these are the roots of the plant. The roots help the plant to take water and minerals from the soil. What about this? What is this?
stem.
What is this?
Yes.
Stem.
Stem. And what's the job of the stem? What's the job of the stem?
To keep the flower standing.
That's right. Keep the plant standing. Support the plant and hold the leaves. Bravo. To support the plant and hold the leaves. Yalla ya Amin. What about these?
Leaves.
What's the job of the leaves?
The job of the leaves is to help the plant to cook.
That's right. Help the plant to make
Cook.
food. That's right. And they help the plant to take sunlight. They catch sunlight.
To take the sun.
Okay. This, what is this?
Flower.
And how do flowers help the plant? What do flowers
They
make?
turn into vegetables.
Yes, they
to grow.
make
Make
seeds.
seeds.
to turn. That's right. Okay. And last of all, we have these. These are the fruits. Thank you. Fruits or vegetables. That's right. أو vegetables. Yeah. The plant shows root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and vegetables. طيب. Is the eggplant plant? Is the eggplant plant flowering or non-flowering plant?
Flowering.
أكيد it's a flowering plant. يلا. What's A? In one word, what's A?
Flower.
What's A?
Flower.
I didn't hear you. What's A?
Flower.
What? Flowers. What's B?
Leaf.
Vegetable.
Leaf.
A, flower. B,
Leaves.
leaf. What's C?
Stem.
What's C?
Roots.
What's C?
Vegetable.
Fruits or vegetables. E,
Vegetable. Root.
C, roots.
And
And F,
Seeds.
the seeds. Bravo.
vegetable.
The seeds. صح. So, flower,
Flower.
leaf,
Leaf.
stem,
Stem. Root.
fruit
Seed.
or vegetable,
Flower. Seeds.
roots, And inside the fruit,
and the
we
seeds.
have the seeds. Okay, is this plant a flowering or a non-flowering plant? أكيد.
Flowering.
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 So we finished for today. If you still have any questions about the lesson, before I finish. Broad leaves ولا needle leaves?
Broadleaf.
Broad leaves. Bravo.
Broadleaf.
Broad leaves.
The
What
needle
about
leaves is just like needle.
this? هون broad leaves ولا needle leaves?
Broadleaf.
Broad leaves. Excellent job. So do you still have any questions about the lesson?
No.
Okay, you can leave now. Thank
No
you for joining me.
question.
I love you so much.
Bye,
An excellent job.
teacher.
Bye bye, حبيبي.
Bye, teacher. Bye,
Bye.
teacher.
Bye.
Bye.